Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Efua. In today's video, we are making this quick and delicious turkey berries or Kwahu Nsusua Abomu. It's a very easy recipe to follow, so let's get started. Add your washed tomatoes, onions, pepper, turkey berries, garlic and Koobi to a saucepan. Next, pour in some water and boil until the veggies are soft. Transfer the cooked tomatoes, onions, pepper and garlic to an asanka. Add some salt and grind. Once you have a consistency like this, we'll add the turkey berries to the asanka and grind everything together until well mixed. After that, pour in the palm oil. For extra flavor, I added the sardine oil and some sliced onions to the palm oil. Then fried it for about 3 to 5 minutes. Next, we will add our Koobi, cooked eggs, the sardines and some plantains. You can check out this video on how to cook the plantains. And that's it guys, this was so delicious. Let me know in the comments if you will be trying this quick abomu recipe. If you enjoyed this recipe, then check out the Ghanaian recipes playlist next. The links are in the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment and share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.